Hi, my name's Mary, and what I intend to improve upon from my first reading was my voice was very monotone and my energy was low. So today I'm going to read to you Vienna by Billy Joel. Slow down, you crazy child. You're so ambitious for a juvenile. But then if you're so smart, tell me why are you still so afraid? Where's the fire? What's the hurry about? You better cool it off before you burn it out. You've got so much to do, and only so many hours in a day, eh? But you know that when the truth is told, that you can get what you want, or you can just get old. You're gonna kick off before you even get halfway through. Ooh. When will you realize Vienna waits for you? Slow down, you're doing fine. You can't be everything you wanna be before your time. Although it's so romantic, on the borderline tonight. Too bad, but it's the life you lead. You're so ahead of yourself that you forget what you need. That you can see when you're wrong. You know you can't always see when you're right. You're right. You've got your passion, you've got your pride. But don't you know that only fools are satisfied? Dream on, but don't imagine they'll all come true. Ooh. When will you realize Vienna waits for you? Slow down, you crazy child, and take the phone off the hook and disappear for a while. It's all right. You can afford to lose a day or two. Ooh. When will you realize Vienna waits for you? And you know that when the truth is told, that you can get what you want, or you could just get old. You're gonna kick off before you even get halfway through. Ooh. Why don't you realize Vienna waits for you? When will you realize Vienna waits for you? Thank you.